Trenches and you're under fire, I will cover you. If I was flying on to rescue.
Step 1. Taking screenshots and assembling them in CapCut. Open Google Translator, then add your text. Don't forget to screen record it. Now change the translating language and screenshot it. Keep doing this process for 30 more times. Open CapCut and add all your screenshots, then save it. In a new project, add your screen recorded video and the video you just saved. First video's duration 6.3 seconds. Now change frame format to 1:1 ratio. Keep only the main part in frame. Set the second video speed to 20x. Now save it. Add your saved video in a new project. Then tap motion blur and do this following adjustments. Save it. Step 2. Adding final effects and animation. Add your photo, then add the saved video as overlay. Now split the overlay video at 6.4 seconds. Now tap Splice, Filter. Tap Effects and add Blurry Focus Video Effect. These are the following adjustments. Select Overlay as Object. Now add Camera Shake and Electronic Light Border Video Effect. These are the adjustments for Camera Shake Effect. Select Overlay as Object. Apply these both effects to the whole video. These are the following adjustments. Feel free to make changes. Select main track photo and resize it to fill in the screen. Select the main track photo and apply fade out animation, duration 0.5 second. Now select the overlay track video and also apply fade out animation like before. So this is pretty much it for today. Subscribe for more interesting tutorials.